how can you expect somebody to value your time and value your input if you're just going in there flabby, floppy, let's see what happens? They're not going to value you. You're going to suck at being a life coach, and then you're going to become insecure. You're going to become offended, disappointed. And then all of the work that you put in and all of the initial enthusiasm would be like letting the air out of a balloon. So get these things sorted. Purpose, clarity, and structure. Well, one of the benefits of having purpose, clarity, and structure is that your time becomes more valued and valuable because you're accounting for your time in a more effective manner. A second benefit of having purpose, clarity, and structure is that it may slay one of those major dragons of a startup coach. It's this, people. Busy work. What Jim Rohn called majoring in minor things. I can only use myself as an example for this. Social media. Have I got an Instagram account? Have I got a TikTok account? Have I got a Facebook account? Have I got a YouTube account? Yes. Am I doing YouTube Shorts? Not yet. Am I doing Facebook Shorts? Have I got a Facebook account? Have I got a blog? Have I got a vlog? Have I got a webinar? Do you understand how to use the technology in order to get all of those things? Do you have one of those fancy programs that kind of launches your emails for you so that you can create sales funnels? Blah-de, 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 blah, blah. These are necessary, useful things to have, but at the beginning, they are busy work. Greetings, fellow seeker. Click on subscribe, and then you can receive updates, new technologies, and new ways to make your life work. Subscribe to Lee Clark Academy today, and let's do this thing. And the problem with busy work is that busy work can provide the means whereby you, dear friend, can avoid the proper task. You can avoid doing the proper things that you need to do. And at the same time, convince yourself that you're going forward with relentless drive, doing busy work. If you want to slay the dragon of busy work, get purpose, clarity, and structure into your life. And I know that as you're starting out, you don't have a penny, you don't have money, unless you're independently wealthy. So it's quite difficult because you're thinking, well, I can't pay people, but you can get people who are willing to help you. Their interest in that can be that they might get a stake in the venture, and they're able to do things that they want to do with their lives. And in a bizarre sort of way, you can be kind of coaching people by helping them to help you. But really, what you should be focusing on at the outset is working with people in order to develop your purpose, your structure, and your clarity. Because if I may extend this analogy, you may have all of these things already: resources, timetables, research, and actions. But without purpose, clarity, and structure, there'll be like an explosion in a toy factory. There'll be bits of toys everywhere. We don't want that. What we want to be able to do is to illustrate to everybody that deals with you that you value certain things. And those certain things that you value, purpose, clarity, and structure, you walk the talk. And if you're not doing busy work, then you're not engaging in what many people refer to as self-sabotage. Self-sabotage back in the day was called getting in your own way. You can get out of your own way. it's taken over a term I prefer, which is actually insecurity. And insecurity is a major reason, unfortunately, why you're sucking at becoming a life coach.